When it comes to tennis, baseball, and even soccer, Aruba simply does not have the capacity to host one of their biggest sporting events here or hand out the most competitive prize. But another sport is showing more and more potential on the island. At this year's Aruba International Beach Tennis Tournament, the island will be handing out the record-breaking amount of prize money in the world. On Sunday, in the sweltering heat, beach tennis fanatics hit the sand of Eagle Beach to compete in the beach tennis sport. The countdown has begun. In 20 days, right here at this precise location of Eagle Beach is where the international event will be held. 800 players from all over the world will be putting their skills to the test in hopes of getting their hands on some cash.
Yeah, prize money is going to be record-breaking in the whole world. We have $35,000 in prize money, and it's divided over the pro men, women doubles. Besides that, we have some for mixed doubles and singles, the pro level.
The work for the big event is going according to schedule. Aruba's international tournament wouldn't be made possible without support from the private and public sector.
We're very happy with our main sponsors. It's DV Resorts. And of course Aruba itself, ATA. They give us huge support because we get over 400 or 500 people from abroad, players, and they bring their families. So it's a huge boost for the island. And also to watch those games, it's going to be on live web streaming. It's going to be awesome.
The commercial sector should contribute as the sport and international tournament has proven to be great for the island. These players are spending money here.
Why ATA is involved, Aruba, is because of all the players that are coming. They're staying here for at least 1 week. They're going to do all stuff all over the island, not only beach tennis. And most of them are returning guests, especially from Brazil. And they just love the island. And that's one of the reasons they come back together in combination with our event, beach tennis.
Standing under Aruba's blistering sun and playing one game after another isn't easy. Joachim Ross, who plays professionally himself, gives a few tips on staying safe.
To stay cool in this type of weather is stay out of the sun as much as possible. Drink a lot, go in the sea, cool off, take a cold shower, drink a lot. That's what I can say. And especially try to stay out of the sun.
Registration for Aruba's International Beach Tennis Tournament is set to close next week. For more information, go to www.beachtennisaruba.com. I will be hosting the main event live from Eagle Beach with ATV's sports anchor Kadochi Kok on Sunday, November 23rd, so be sure to catch us then.